we've got a little boy chihuahua. I don't see any name. Hello, darling. Who are you? What's your name? Hey? Just 4 months old. Look at this. How sweet. What a little darling. Look at those ears. Would you like a cuddle? Shall I give you a cuddle? I'll come in and give you a cuddle. We're going to have a nice cuddle, aren't we? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Oh. You and you, is that what you fancy? Oh, Bones. Oh. Let's get me lap ready. Hang on. There we are. Yes, that's just the camera. Yes, it is. I'm not sure if they can see you. Oh, you're all right. You calm down. It's all right. We're going to have a little cuddle. Yes, we will. Yes. Oh.